Good morning. Our lesson today about representing data. In representing data, I have two things. The first thing, this table, and the second thing, this graph. This is called graph. Called what? Called graph. Okay. In this table, I have two rows. The first row is for names. Names of students like this, names of animals, names of shapes, names of anything, okay? And the second row is for numbers like this, number of books, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Okay, it's about the table. What about the graph? In the graph, I have two lines. This vertical line is for numbers. This vertical line is for numbers. And this horizontal line is for names. Okay, concentrate. The name in the graph is the same name in the table and also the same order. Here Ahmed's first, so in the graph Ahmed's first. Here Mona's second, so here in the graph Mona's second. And the same Ali, Yara, Maha, okay? Okay. What can I do in this lesson? Okay, here in this table I have data, names and numbers, and I want to representing this data in this graph, okay? I want to represent the data in the table in the graph, okay? Okay, first here in Ahmed I have 3 books. The number of books here, Ahmed has 3 books. Okay, so I color from down to up until I reach number 3. So I count and color to reach number 3. This is number 3, so this is right. Okay, the second name, Mona has 4 books. Okay, so I look at Mona and color from down to up, from 0 to reach number 4. I color and reach number 4, so this is right. And Ali, Ali has 5 books. Okay, so I color from down to up to reach number 5. This is number 5. Okay. Yara has 6 books. So here I color from down to up to reach number 6. So I color to reach number 6. This is right. And then Maha has 7 books. So I color from down to reach number 7. Okay? Okay, let's see another exercise. Here, I said that I have 2 things, the table and the graph, and I want to represent the data in the table and the graph, okay? Okay, here, the same names. Here is the same names in the graph and the same order. Lions is first, elephants is second, okay? Okay, here. I have here 4 lines. Okay, so I said I color from down to up until I reach number 4. So I look at lines and color to reach number 4. Okay, that's right. And elephants, I have here 2 elephants. So I look at elephants and color from down to up until I reach number 2. Okay, this is right. And in giraffes, I have here 8 giraffes. So I look at giraffes and color from down to up until I reach number 8. Okay. And in dogs, I have here 6 dogs. So I look at dogs and color to reach number 6. And the last animal is monkeys. Okay, I have here 10 monkeys. So I look at monkeys and color from down to up until I reach number 10. Okay, I want to check my answer. Lions here I have 4, here I have 4. Elephants here 2, and here in the table 2. Here giraffes I have 8, and here in the table 8. Dogs, here I have 6, and here I have 6. And the last animals, monkeys, here I have 10, and in the table I have 10. So all answers are right. Okay. Here I have table, and this is the graph. Oh, look at the table. In the first row I have the names of subjects, but in the second row I don't have numbers. Oh, but I have the data in the graph. So here I represent the data in the table, not in the graph. Okay, here what can I do? I looked at the colored line. Here in English, the first subject, I have here, I colored from 0 to reach number 3. So here I have 3 students in English. So I write here number 3. Okay, and in math, I look at math. I colored here from down to up to reach number 5. So I write in math number 5. Okay, and in science, here I colored from down to up until I reach number 2. So I write here number 2. In Arabic, I colored from 0 to reach number 6. So I write here number 6. Okay, and in French, I colored from down to reach number 4. So I write here number 4. Okay, to check your answer. Here you have 3 students in English. Here 3. Okay, and in math, here I have 5 students, and here 5. Okay. In science, I have 2 students, and here you colored to reach number 2. Okay, and here in Arabic you have 6 students. Okay, and in French you have 4 students. So all your answers are right. Okay, here, oh my God, look at this table and look at this graph. This is not completed. I don't have colored lines here, and here I don't have the number of square, and here I don't have the number of rectangle. Oh, okay. Here in square I don't have number of square, but here in the graph I have the number. So here in the square I represent the data in the table. Okay, I look at square. I have here 5 squares. So I write under square number 5. Okay, and here in circle I have the number here in the table. So I represent the data in the graph. Okay, if you have the data in the table, you represent the data in the graph. If you have the data in the graph, you represent the data in the table. Okay, you have here 3 circles. So I colored here in circle from down to up to reach number 3. Okay, so I colored to reach number 3. Okay, and here in triangle I have here 2 triangles. I have the number here, but I don't have the data in the graph. So I colored in triangle from down to up to reach number 2. So I colored from down to up to reach number 2. Okay, that's right. And the rectangle, I don't have number in the table, but I have the data in the graph. Okay, look at rectangle. You reach number 4. You colored from down to up to reach number 4. So I write here number 4, and I want now to check my answer. Okay, in square I have 5 squares, and here I have 5. In circle I have here 3 circles, and here 3. Okay, triangle here 2, and here 2. Okay, rectangle here I have 4, and here I have 4. So all my answers are right. That's our lesson today. Wish you a nice day and bye.